Hi guys, good morning. Today we will see how to make the router configuration using the backup file taken from show space configuration. We log into the router using telnet using the putty software. 192.168.1.1 is the IP of the router. Currently username and password is _CDE and Spitfire 12345 for this router. We did not change it yet. So we will copy, and this procedure is simple, like copy paste of the configuration file. This configuration file we make from the existing router just by one command, show space configuration, and it gave us all the configuration which was present in this router before. We just copy and paste the file like lines by lines, few lines one time, so that if there is any error we can know it by the time. After first lines, then we will copy the next lines. We just need to copy few lines so we can see if there is any error. We can trace this error and we can clear this error, like spelling mistake or anything like this. Few lines like username and password will give error like this. Here it gave some error, but because this is lines which contain the password is not readable form. We are still doing the quality of service configuration which is existing in the software. Now this is our configuration for ports, definition for the ports. We should copy as few lines as possible so we can see if there is any error. We are receiving some errors, but this is for the quality of service configuration. Nothing to worry about. This is just dependent on the software. Since we upgraded the software of this router, so we are receiving these errors. In this putty window, right click means paste. If we right click any like on the putty black screen, it will paste whatever data is copied on the cursor at this time. The second last paragraph is the measurements quality of service. The synchronization configuration. Now this means that our router is now configured. One simple command will save all configuration on this router. Commit is the command to which will implement all configuration in the router. Router will take maybe warm restart or soft restart, and it will start working with the new configuration which we just put it in. So now our router should be start working. This router is taking restart now. We can see this in the corner right side. Our LAN connection is broken. This notepad file, backup file, we take from a working router just by writing command so show space configuration, and it gave us all the information it had contained. Still no, router not connected. Okay, I guess because we run this configuration file which had LAN cable not activated, so we need to use the serial communication. This means we need to use the serial communication. Let us log in through the serial. Okay, yes, it has asked us for the username and password underscore CDE and Spitfire 12345, Spit S capital. Now we can see the software and also the configuration, whatever we configured now. Yes, the port is down. That's why we did not have the LAN connection up. We receive some messages from server in the serial communication. We receive every type of messages which server generate. We can see these messages. So show system alarms is showing us some two alarms. One is PTP sync fail and one is equipment clock, which is quality of service alarm. Current release is R10C180. We are just saving configuration so that we don't lose this configuration. This is command which can also take the backup. Show space configuration. It is showing everything with us. All the data which this router contains is shown in this command. Whenever we log into this router, we should take the backup for this data. For time being, we just need to do the ping test to see if aggregator is pingable or not. This is aggregator IP. Okay, this is the O&M gateway for this router, and it is showing me that there is no loss and this aggregator is pingable. But now we are receiving some 40% loss. Okay, thank you very much for watching.